everybody, welcome back to Villains and Vice. I'm Beth, and today is another Magic Mail Monday. No song. Those are only on rare occasions. So today we have another edition of pins, pops, and presents. Never thought that would be a thing, but here we are. So we have a pin that I bought from a friend, a pop to add to my Britney collection, and a present from my friends Laura and Ryan at Disney Pin Love. I don't know what's in this. It's from Canada, which is fun. I like international mail. So we'll do this last. We'll do the pin first and then the pop second. Sound good? Let's just hop into it. Could have been even shorter and sweeter if I had pre-cut these things, but I'm not that organized. So this is a pin from my friend Marianne. She actually reached out to me on Instagram when she saw that I had started my Chernabog collection and said that she had a pin that she thought I would like, and yeah, I needed it. She also sent me, I'm so excited that it's spooky season because all these things like I get now have like bats and black cats and Halloween costume things. I just love that. So she sent a bunch of stickers like mummy and skeleton and Dracula and a witch and black cats, my fave. Love those. Who doesn't love a good sticker? And then here, oh my gosh, it's amazing. So, I'll have to keep this. So there's the cutest little envelope you've ever seen. And on the front, there's a drawing, this is amazing, of Chernabog, and it says thank you. Marianne, that is impressive. All right, a little note. Oh my gosh, look how teeny tiny her handwriting is too. It looks like a font. Thank you, Beth. Thanks so much for purchasing this Chernabog pin. It's very much appreciated. I'm happy to know it's going to a good home and joining your collection. Take care. Marianne, aka Ride the Waves with a Mermaid. I will link her Instagram down below. So it's Chernabog, like he looks like he's conjuring up these flames. Isn't that cool? It's different from the other two that I have. It's Disney Pin Trading from 2007. Put them with my other guys. That is a very handsome pin. All right, I had a duo before, but I think 3 makes a collection, right? So, thank you again, Marianne, for reaching out to me. I really appreciate it, and now it looks a little more official. All right, so next we have a pop. And I told you guys that I was starting a Britney Spears Funko collection. I'm on a mission to get all of them. There's one that's a little harder to get, but I will find her. And it's a little easier, I think, because I'm an out-of-the-box collector, so the box is damaged. I'm okay with that. But this one is not damaged. It is Britney Spears. It's part of the Pop Rocks collection. And it's Britney in her Oops catsuit. And again, out of the box collector. I know some of you really do not approve of that, but I just can't see them as well in the box. And she's gonna stay with me forever, and she doesn't need to live in a box. But here she is. Oh my gosh, look at her. Oops, I did it again. Play with your heart, got lost in the game. Oh baby, baby, oops, you think I'm in love. I love her. This reminds me of when I was in college. So this CD actually came out, yes, I said CD, I'm old, when I was in high school. And I had my friends cover for me. We were in Spanish 5, which was independent study, and I ran out to the store that day to buy it so that we could listen to it during Spanish class. And I remember my first year in college, us all learning the Oops dance, because I mean they played it at every party. And that video is so iconic, you know? So excited to add her to my ever-growing group of Britney pops. You just hang out there, Britney. And now, the mystery present. Magic mail for you. What did you do? All right, I have no idea. So, as you probably know, I met up with Laura and Ryan in Walt Disney World. They were making a trip down, and come hell or high water, I was gonna come down there to meet them, and I did. We hung out for an entire evening. We hung out at Hollywood Studios, and then we went to Topolino's Terrace with my friend Nate, and just had a grand old time. So I was so excited to go down, and hopefully it'll be the first of many Disney trips. Maybe we'll even add Disneyland to the mix. But, all right, let's see. Laura's a good taper, and I'm a terrible cutter. No, I got it. All right, let's see what this is. Oh, she's very sneaky. Beth, when I saw this fabric, I knew I needed to create a pair of ears just for you. Oh my gosh. You made me ears? I can't even. That was so sweet and thoughtful and unnecessary, and appreciate it. I'm gonna cry. Okay. Oh, these are fabulous and so well wrapped. Gosh, Laura shouldn't have. So, any guesses? You might have already seen as to what kind of fabric it is. You're right, it's Villains. Oh my gosh, I love these. So, it's the Evil Queen and Cruella and Ursula. And this really, I love them. I love the purple and gray combination. See the really pretty gray and black bow and the purple palms all around the edges. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's Meffy. She's on there too. Meffy made it to the party. Oh my gosh, these are amazing. Am I gonna be too tall? No. Oh, and they fit perfectly. They look so cute. They're so comfortable. I'm so excited. I did not participate in the Year of the Ear swap in September. I did August and we're doing October, but now I feel like an honorary member. Oh my gosh, I can't get over them. I just want to keep touching the palms. Oh, thank you, Laura, so much. That was so sweet and kind and thoughtful. Oh, I'm looking at myself instead of into the camera. Thank you so much. And thank you to Marianne for my new Chernabog. And thank you to Amazon for Britney. So, what did you guys think? Do you love my ears? Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you again to Marianne and Laura and Ryan. I have to throw Ryan in there too. I will link their Instagrams and channels down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.